If you've ever used a lathe, mill turn, or Swiss machine, then you've likely used a single point tool. They sound pretty simple, one point doing one job, but the importance of these tools might just surprise you. Today, we're taking a look at how single point tools are something that most shops can't live without. A single point tool is exactly what it sounds like. It cuts on one cutting edge. That single point forms, bores, or threads on the surface of a round part one pass at a time. You'll see them on lathes, boring heads, and CNC turn centers. Every cut, every chip, every finish comes from that one precise point of contact. At SCT, we manufacture three main kinds of single point tools for internal turning. Boring tools, to hit size and depth with high accuracy. Grooving tools, to create internal grooves like O-rings, snap ring seats, or face grooves. Threading tools, to form perfect internal threads with repeatable precision. Each is made from high-quality carbide, ground to exact geometry and available coated or uncoated. We also offer our boring bars with a CBN or PCD tip. What you'll need will depend on your material and job. And because internal machining pushes tools to the limits, we prepare them with holders engineered for rigidity and coolant delivery. That's what keeps chatter down and surface finish up. Here's why this matters. When you're cutting inside a part, the difference between a clean bore and a scrap part often comes down to the single cutting edge, how rigid it is, how sharp it is, and how stable it stays under pressure. That's the whole idea behind SCT's system. Build the tool, the holder, and the geometry to work together, so machinists can trust what's happening inside the part. So what's the big deal about a single point tool? It's the precision tip of the entire operation, one edge doing one job perfectly, and when it's built right, it changes everything about how your part turns out. The next time your job needs precision, reach for a scientific cutting tool.